Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Oh, we've got one slick ride for you today. 1961 Chevy Biscayne. You can see this thing's on air. It's slammed down to the ground right now. Meticulous body off frame restoration. Less than 1,100 miles. It was done by Kenny Davis Hot Rods in Arkansas, July of 2020. So it's a fresh build. It is slick, top to bottom. You can go to volocars.com, and that's where you can see over 100 pictures top to bottom. You can read the full description, and that's where you'll find price tags on over 200 collector cars that we offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, that way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me and let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing is just hot looking, isn't it? So they started with a clean Arizona car, rust-free. The floors are immaculate. They stripped and prepped them. Zero rust, zero patches. And then they sprayed the bottom of the car with a black bed liner, so it's nice and durable and protected. The chassis was sandblasted. The frame was powder coated, so all that's done in a gloss black. It's a Ride Tech air ride system with shockwave airbags, and it's all digitally controlled from inside the car. So the front end's completely rebuilt. I mean, all the ball joints, bushings, steering components are all new, and it is upgraded with strong arm tubular control arms. The rear suspension is all completely new and upgraded. All tubular 4-link system, all new bushings, the panhard bar, all that's been replaced. It has the airbags and it has adjustable gas shocks in the back. The exhaust is a stainless steel, all welded, no clamps, nice custom exhaust. It follows the X-frame real nicely, has some small square mufflers, and it dumps out right by the axle. You'll hear it running at the end of this video. Brakes, they're 4-wheel disc brakes. The whole system's new. The hoses, the brake lines, calipers. Up front, it does have drilled and slotted Corvette rotors. They're Corvette disc brakes in back as well. You look up at the motor. The Chevy orange motor is still spotless. It has a mini high torque starter. Real nice finned aluminum oil pan. The transmission was bought new from Chevy Performance. It's a Supermatic. I think it's a 4L70 or something like that. It's on our website. But it's the electronic shift overdrive automatic, and it's brand new from the parts counter at Chevy. So the drive shaft and U-joints are redone. It's the stock 61 rear end that's in the car. The fuel system is all new. The tank, the lines, has a real nice premium inline filter. So underneath this car is meticulously done. All the hardware, nuts, bolts, you name it, it looks like a new car underneath. The body is absolutely straight. He said it's all original metal. He did replace both front fenders. This thing is just straight as a laser beam. It's called the flat top. I don't need to explain why. And you look down the sides, you look across the hood, the trunk, it is straight. The gaps are all real nice and square. And I'm going to say the paint is a mirror finish. If you're one of them super fussy ones, there's like a piece of dust in the paint here or there. I mean, minor imperfections that 99 out of 100 people would never even mention. But boy, it's glass. This trim around the door frames is painted like a satin black. It's just one of those subtle details you don't notice right at first. Windshield's new. All the glass has a dark tint. The bumpers are new. The grille looks like it's new. The lenses, all the trim up front, all that looks new. It's got a 383 stroker motor in the engine compartment. The wheels. I'm sure you've noticed them by now. They're Budnik wheels. Supposedly paid $6,000 for these wheels and tires. They're custom sized. They're 19s in front, 20s in back, extra wide. Got a nice like champagne color in the center. Performance tires. It's got mirrors on both sides. The trim around the front and back windows, door handles, that's been replaced. Tail lights are nice. Got the V emblem with the flags. So the whole trunk compartment has been boxed and upholstered and carpeted. Got real nice storage space in the floor. And the back panel opens up. That's where all the air conditioning controls, not air conditioning, that's where all the air ride controls are. And the battery is relocated to the trunk. Inside the car is really slick. It has custom, real nice premium carpet on the floor. First of all, the whole interior was gutted. There was nothing inside the car. It was all prepped, painted, and then it was dynamatted. It's a sound deadener. Now these seats are 1962 bucket seats, but they've been completely re-cushioned and recontoured, and the upholstery and the custom-made door panels are all done in ultra leather, and they got a really nice plaid cloth inserts in them that I think looks cool. We got a 383 stroker. They wanted a nice clean look in here. So the engine is all orange, including the aluminum valve covers, the aluminum intake, and all the components, the engine, the radiator, everything in here is painted with a gun and clear coated, so it's really extra nice. The firewall's made smooth. The front of the motor has March billet brackets and pulleys, and the AC compressor, alternator, it's all billet. It's got a set of headers, custom distributor, Edelbrock carb. It's an aluminum intake. Like I said, it's painted orange. All billet handles on the door panels. There's some custom sculpting at the bottom there. Has a really nice custom headliner with a nice embossed pattern. It has a suede material on it. New Dakota digital gauges. They light up blue. Chrome-plated tilt column with a Budnik steering wheel. It's got a low-car floor shifter with a custom-made little mini console. And that's where the controls are for the air ride. Has Clayton custom pedals down on the floor. Has some nice controls for the heat and air, and the air is ice cold. There's some 12-volt receptacles under the dash and port to plug in your phone charger. There is a modern stereo in the glove box and 2 little speakers in the dash, so not a full-blown system, but it does have a stereo. The jambs are painted real nice. But just a first-class ride here. Oh, all the steering is all new. It looks like a polished stainless steel steering arms. It's got an updated 500 power steering system with a quick ratio steering box. Champion aluminum radiator with electric fan. It has hard radiator hoses, stainless steel. Looks like there's an air horn up here. I think that's what that is. We'll try it out. Chrome fuel pump. Willwood master cylinder. The bottom of the hood here is upholstered or has some sort of insulation material. It's really nice. So it's simple, but it's also in your face. This thing is just hot looking. Inside and out. So there you have it. That's my impression of this slick 61 flat top. Go to the website, volocars.com. Plenty of ways to reach out to the salesman. If you have questions or concerns, please ask. They will help you the best they can. They can also help get this delivered to your driveway, and they can help you get financing as well. It's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, like I said, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. That way you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.